Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on gold. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. Gold erased all the gains from the US NFP report on Monday, with some pointing to the news of China remaining on pause for the second consecutive month on gold purchases as the likely culprit. Overall, nothing has changed fundamentally and the bullish bias should remain intact. As of now, it looks like gold have limited downside but lots of upside as inflation abates slowly while risks to the growth picture increase the longer the Fed keeps policy restrictive. In the short term, strong US data might weigh a bit on the market, but in the long term, weak data is likely to trigger bigger upside moves. Now, the daily chart. We can see that gold has been on a steady rise since bottoming out here near the key 2277 support. The buyers are now looking towards this upper bound of the range around the 2430 level. If the price gets there, we can expect the sellers to step in to position for a drop back into this 2277 support. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that the price pulled back from the 2387 resistance and bounced on this trend line. The buyers piled in around the trend line with the defined risk below it and target a break above this resistance. The sellers will likely step in around this resistance again to target a break below the trend line and increase the bearish bets into the 2277 support. On the 1 hour chart, we can see that the price is breaking above this important zone today. We can expect more buyers piling in around these levels to position for a break above the 2387 resistance. The sellers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking below the trend line and the 2350 level to turn the buyers more bearish and position for a drop into the 2277 support. These red lines define the average daily range for today. Tomorrow is going to be the most important day of the week as we get the US CPI and the US jobless claims figures. On Friday, we conclude the week with the US PPI and the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey.